If you want to track workouts on your Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, then you can simply do this by opening all of these apps and now go to the workout. And let's say that I want to start with outdoor walk. So I have to just tap on it, and right now in this place you can find GPS signal. So we can start it by clicking go, and right now it will try to connect to the GPS. And now, as you can see right here, we can find distance, duration, our pace, heart rate, and when you scroll down we can find steps, some other informations, the heart rate, aerobic, and when you scroll at the bottom we can even find map, the GPS navigation, so it will be much easier to actually walk outside with this simple tool. And now if you want to actually disconnect from if you want to finish your workout, then you can click on this button and click right here and click on the marker to finish. Thanks for watching.